When it comes to choosing the right email marketing software, Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign are two of the biggest names in the game. But which one is truly more effective for your business needs? That's exactly what we're diving into today, comparing both of them side by side to see which email marketing platform comes out on top. Stick around, because by the end, I'll reveal a more powerful alternative that could change your approach to email marketing forever. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Mailchimp is known for being very beginner-friendly. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for anyone, even with zero technical experience, to design and send emails quickly. However, this simplicity comes with a trade-off. Mailchimp has limited automation options unless you're willing to pay more. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, offers a robust set of automation features that give you much more control over your campaigns. It's not quite as intuitive for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, the added capabilities are worth the learning curve. Next thing, let's look at pricing. Mailchimp starts off with a free plan, which can be a huge advantage if you're just starting out or have a small email list. However, as your business grows, you'll quickly find that Mailchimp's pricing can become quite expensive, especially if you want advanced features. ActiveCampaign's pricing, while not cheap, provides more value for money as it includes better automation and segmentation tools at lower tier plans. If you're looking to scale and get the most out of your email campaigns, ActiveCampaign might be the better investment in the long run. The third thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms offer customer support, but Mailchimp support options can feel a bit more limited, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. With ActiveCampaign, you get more personalized support, including live chat and an extensive knowledge base, which can be a lifesaver when troubleshooting complex automation setups. If you're someone who relies on quick support, ActiveCampaign's offerings might give you more peace of mind. Now let's talk about segmentation and targeting. Mailchimp provides basic segmentation, which is good for smaller businesses that don't need anything too complex. However, ActiveCampaign really shines here with its advanced segmentation options. With ActiveCampaign, you can tag subscribers based on behavior, engagement, and interactions, allowing you to send hyper-targeted messages. This level of personalization can significantly boost your email marketing results. The fifth thing is reporting and analytics. Mailchimp offers basic analytics, but if you want deeper insights into your campaigns, you'll have to upgrade to a higher plan. ActiveCampaign, however, gives you access to more comprehensive reporting even on lower tier plans. You can track things like open rates, click rates, and even customer lifetime value, which are key to optimizing your campaigns and making data-driven decisions. Next, let's talk about integrations. Both Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign integrate with a variety of third-party apps, but Mailchimp offers a wider selection of integrations overall, making it a good option if you're using other tools that need to work seamlessly together. ActiveCampaign, however, offers more powerful integrations, especially if you're using a CRM or other sales tools. Its integration with CRMs allows for a more streamlined workflow, which can make managing leads and customer relationships much easier. The last thing is deliverability. Both Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign have a good track record of deliverability, but ActiveCampaign's advanced features like email warm-up and sending domains are designed to maximize inbox placement. This can be crucial if your business relies on email marketing to drive revenue. So, while Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign both have their strengths, I'd recommend ActiveCampaign as the more effective tool for businesses looking to grow and automate their email marketing efforts. But here's the kicker. After trying both platforms myself, I found that there's an even better alternative for achieving the same goal: email marketing with better automation, segmentation, and support at a more competitive price. If you want to try it out, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best features available with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your email marketing game.